In this tutorial, I'll show you how to connect your Stripe account to Systemeio, and this is good if you want to sell digital products on System. Let's get straight into it. From your Systemeio dashboard, go to your avatar or hover on it and click on Settings. Under Settings on your left, click Payment Gateways. These are payment methods you can use under Systemeio: Stripe, PayPal, Mercado Pago, Pay, Wave. But in this tutorial, we'll concentrate on Stripe, the easiest way to connect your payment method to Systemeio. Click on Connect, enter your email address connected to your Stripe account, password, and click Submit. By default, Stripe will send you a verification code. Enter the code here. In most cases, you receive it through your email address, but I have Google notification alert. I will not show it here, but I'll just do it, and when you enter, it's gonna connect you automatically. As you can tell, it's connected automatically. Click on Connect. When I go back, I'm on this page because I started from this page, that's why. I'll hover on my avatar again, go to Settings, go to Payment Gateways, and as you can tell, the integration with the account is in process. Sometimes an hour, it depends, but for sure, when you come back later or a couple of hours later, you'll see that this will be connected. That's how you connect your Stripe to your Systemeio account in order to receive payment worldwide. If you like this video, please support me by buying me a coffee through the link below. Also, like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Until next time, take care and have a wonderful day.